Hello, I am Suresh. We will today discuss about an interesting topic, that is time and tense. Time and tense, both words are interrelated with each other, and they are just like the two sides of a coin. Without time or tense, grammar is meaningless. So come to time first. What is the definition of a time? Time means it is a natural concept. It shows the period. It shows the period when an action takes place. That, for example, suppose I will say, I am playing now. When the action is going on, the action is going on during the time of speaking. I played cricket. When did the action take place? The action took place before the time of speaking. So, when the period shows, it will be the time. Generally, we count it in our day, days, month, year, etc. And it has three major divisions: present, past, and future. Present tense means when an action is going on during the time of speaking. Past tense means when the action took place before the time of speaking. It has no connection with the present tense. Suppose I will say, I am playing cricket. It will be when the action is going on. The action is going on during the time of speaking. Okay. So, if I will say, I played cricket, it has no connection with the present time. Actually, the action took place before the time of speaking. Okay, that will be past time. Then come to future time. Future time means it will happen in near future. That, for example, I will visit Puri tomorrow. It will be future time. So come to the timeline. Here it is past, present, and future. Present means now, and past means before now. The action took place before the time of speaking, and future means the action will happen in your future. That will be future. Then come to another aspect, that is tense. Tense is a verb form which refers to the time at which the action of a verb takes place. It is nothing. It is the verb forms through which we can express the action of the verb. Okay, so here we have a present and a past tense. There is no future tense because it has no special tense form. Each tense is subdivided into four categories: present simple, present progressive, present perfect, and present perfect progressive. So similarly, past simple, progressive, perfect, and also perfect progressive. Okay, what is the structure of a simple present? Verb 1, then progressive, is, am, are plus verb ing, progressive form, and a perfect, have, has plus V3 form, perfect progressive, have, has a plus a been plus verb ing, then past tense, simple past, it will be verb 2, V2 form, past progressive, subject plus a was, were plus verb ing. Similarly, perfect, subject plus a had plus a V3 form. Then perfect progressive, subject plus a had plus been plus verb ing. So these are verb forms through which we express the action of the verb. So the major difference: time is the period when the action took place, but whereas tense, the verb form. Okay, here there are some examples, and we will see the tense and time of the sentences. Okay, come to the example first. Mohan is playing cricket. So first of all, come to tense. Tense, I have told you that the verb form. Which is the verb form here? Here it is in a present tense. Is plus verb ing. It will be present tense. So here the tense is present and the time Mohan is playing the cricket. When the action is going on, the action is going on during the time of speaking. So it will be present tense and a present time. Then come to second example. Mohan played cricket. Here, first of all come to the verb form or what is tense. It will be past tense, played. Okay, so what is the time? The action was going on before the time of speaking. The action took place before the time of speaking. It has no connection with the present. So it will be past tense and a past time. Okay, then come to number 3. She will arrive tomorrow. Which is the verb here? Which is the verb form? Will arrive. It will be present tense. Then what will be the time? Will arrive tomorrow in future. Here the tense will be present tense and it will be future time. Then come to 4. I am going to visit Puri tomorrow. Here what is the verb form? I am going. It will be present tense and a time future. So it will be present tense and a future time. Then come to number 5. He has finished his homework. What will be the tense? Has finished. It will be present tense. Here the action has been finished before the time of speaking. Although it is in present tense, but the time will past. Okay, so it is in present tense and a past time. Okay, homework for you, activity 1, 2, 3 of your text. Thank you. Have a nice day.